That's better. All right, that's better lighting for students. No idea what frame rate I'm shooting at now. All right, so y'all wanted to know about George Hotz. And I'll show you youtube.com, Twitter, Todd McLeod. My Twitter, I've just fallen so far behind. I have 90 notifications and 14 messages.
You're a celebrity.
Am I?
You got 6K followers on Twitter? 95 followers.
Okay, here's the company he built. You get your iPhone, you like glue it to your mirror, and then you buy a piece of hardware for. So this is the guy, George Hotz. This is the guy who jailbroke the iPhone, and then he jailbroke Honda and Toyota and built a little hardware so that you could turn your Honda or Toyota into a self-driving car. And
he's like one of those dudes that can hack into someone's car and like control it.
maybe,
Wow. I'm scared of him.
but
And it only works for Honda and Toyota?
The here's for all cars.
no, he just works for himself. He created his own little company to sell this stuff now.
And you met this guy?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, but here is his interview where he says his hobby is smoking weed. And so this
How old is this guy?
27 or 28. This is really quick questions with Geo Hotz, George Hotz. So if you wanted to Google this, if you're watching this online, you could search for really quick questions with George Hotz. That's what we're going to watch now. I can't record it here because this is somebody else's intellectual property, which we'll learn about later in the course. Goodbye.